Hello everyone, welcome to today's energy concept quiz. Let's test how well you understand one of the most important topics in physics. It is energy. You will get 20 interesting and frequently asked questions from exams like RRB and SSC. So think fast, choose your answers and see how many you get right. Let's begin the quiz and boost your science power today. First one, what is the SI unit of energy? The correct option is A, joule. Second one, which of the following is a form of potential energy? The correct option is C, chemical. Kinetic energy depends on which factors? The correct option is A, mass and velocity. Because the kinetic energy formula is half mv square. So the terms related to kinetic energy is mass and velocity. Fourth one, energy stored in a stretched spring is called? The correct option is A, elastic potential energy. Fifth one, what is the relation between work and energy? The correct option is A, work done equal to energy transferred. What happens to the kinetic energy if velocity is doubled? The correct option is A, becomes 4 times, because kinetic energy equal to half mv square. So in question what he said, the kinetic energy is doubled. So here take velocity as 2 times of velocity and whole square. So it becomes 1 by 2 m 4 v square. So what happens now? The kinetic energy is 4 times increases. That's the question. The correct option is here, becomes 4 times. Seventh one. Energy possessed by a moving body is called? The correct option is A, kinetic energy. Because every moving body have its own kinetic energy. Eighth one. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. This is known as? The correct option is A, law of conservation of energy. We are listening this question from our 7th class onwards. Ninth one. What is the formula for kinetic energy? The correct option is A, half mv square, where m equal to mass, v equal to velocity. What is the SI unit of work and energy? The correct option is A, joules. The energy of an object due to its height is called? The correct option is A, gravitational potential energy. Power is also defined as? The correct option is A, the rate of doing work. Which form of energy is used in a battery? The correct option is A, chemical energy. Because in batteries we use as the element lithium. So what is it? What it is? It is a chemical. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to? The correct option is A, 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. It is one of the important question and mostly asked one. Which energy transformation occurs in an electric bulb? The correct option is A, electric to light and heat. Because just imagine it is a bulb and it have two terminals. And when the electrons are transferred from one terminal to another terminal, in the middle what happens means we use a high resistor material. So the electrical energy converts the converts into the light energy here and later heat, because the material it is very resistance, right, higher resistance, so it resists the electrons, that causes rise in heat energy, so the light converts it into heat. The energy stored in food is, the correct option is A, chemical energy. What is the unit of power? The correct option is A, watt. And also remember one thing, 1 watt equal to 1 joule per second. Which type of energy is produced by vibrating objects? The correct option is A, sound energy. Energy obtained from sun is called, it is simple. The correct option is A, solar energy. Mechanical energy is the sum of dash. The correct option is A, kinetic and potential energy. Okay, thank you.